Hello everyone, it's Lizzie. Today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for me, finances, and how they can affect family relationships. I want to talk about how we can manage money in a way that strengthens our family bonds, not break them. Remember, it's never too late to change how you handle money. Let me start by saying that good finances are key to a happy, stress-free home. When you're not drowning in debt or worrying about unexpected expenses, you can focus on what matters most, your loved ones. But if you let finances go unmanaged, it can cause serious tension in the household. But guess what? It's never too late to change that. If you are in a position where you need to prioritize earning money over family relationships, listen closely. Always have a plan. Sit down with your spouse and kids, explain the situation, and set a clear timeline. For example, if you need to take on a job for 1 year to fix your finances, make sure everyone knows the end goal. Communication is key. After that year, scale back and refocus on your family. And if you didn't get it right the first time, remember, it's never too late to change your approach. One of my favorite Bible verses, Proverbs chapter 21, verse 5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as heads leads to poverty." Planning wisely not only protects your finances but also your family relationships. Let me remind you of a Bible story that shows what happens when money management goes wrong. The parable of the Prodigal Son from Luke chapter 15 verses 11 to 32. You know the story. The son takes his inheritance, blows it all on while living, and ends up broke. He realized the error of his ways, returned home, and his father forgives him. The lesson here? He wasted everything, but when he repented, his family welcomed him back. It's never too late to change. Even if you made financial mistakes, there's always hope for redemption. Next, I want to talk about prioritizing tithing and giving. After all, Malachi 3 verse 10 says, "Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, giving a portion of your income back to the community." And church reminds us that money is not just for our pleasure. It's a blessing we are meant to share. It's never too late to change how you view giving. And it's never too late to start practicing generosity. Pay yourself first. After setting aside your tithe, pay yourself first by investing, not just in a saving account, but in ways that grow your wealth, like retirement funds or small investments. I highly recommend the budgetista Tiffany Alici and her book, Get Good with Money. Her strategies on intentional spending and building wealth will help you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Trust me, it's never too late to change how you think about money. Avoid credit card debt. Let's talk about credit cards. They can be a tool or a trap, depending on how you use them. Only spend what you can pay off in full each month. If credit cards have been a problem in the past, don't worry. It's never too late to change your habits and start fresh. Use savings for emergencies, not credit. Create meaningful memories. Spend money on things that matter. Experiences, not just stuff. Learn your family's love languages and find out what makes them feel loved. Is it quality time? Act of service? Word of affirmation? When you invest in what truly matters to your family, even if finances are tight, you still feel rich. And if you spend too much on the wrong things before, guess what? It's never too late to change and start building meaningful memories instead. Finally, don't wait for better days to start taking control of your finances. Start small and start now. In Get Good with Money, Tiffany Alicia shares how even people with modest income, like teachers making $25,000 a year, can become millionaires through discipline. Habits. It's never too late to change your financial situation, even if you're starting from scratch. To wrap up, remember this: it's never too late to change. Whether it's paying off debt, investing for the future, or rebuilding relationships, change is always possible. Don't let money come between you and your loved ones. Now, a Bible verse. I love that. Proverbs 15 verse 17 says, "Better a small serving of vegetables with love than a fattened calf with hatred." Money should bring peace to your home, not stress. It's never too late to make better choices. It's never too late to build wealth the right way. And it's never too late to fix the relationships that might have been strained by financial stress. Let's take control of our finances so we can thrive in our families. If this message resonates with you, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more practical tips on how to build strong families while improving your financial health. It's never too late to change. Let's start together today. Talk to you soon.